What is that, Ralph? Is it your favorite? Oh, yeah. Get my face. Get my face. More face, less back. Oh, he's got hair all over his mouth.
Oh, it's not my fault.
Where'd you go? I'm not done. He sure tries hard.
He really does.
Is his tongue sticking out? Did he suck it back in? I think he did. He sucked it back in. That's a good cat.